Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, with drought conditions intensifying across Jamaica, the government has announced a $150 million allocation to ease the dry spell.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness made that and other announcements on Tuesday in the House of Representatives.
Andrea Chisholm has the details.
Another year, another dry period for Jamaica. This heat map shows the severity of the problem.
Based on the low level of rainfall being experienced during March 2024, the drought conditions are expected to get worse.
And so plans are being put into action.
We will make an emergency allocation of 150 million Jamaican dollars. Most of this will go towards the trucking of water. We will keep a small reserve where we see we need to have emergency procurement of water tanks.
50 constituencies will get $1.5 million each. Now, Westmoreland and Hanover have been severely affected by the drought. The Prime Minister indicated that the logwood supply system is about 50% capacity. The Westmoreland Municipal Corporation will get $5 million more and the constituencies in the parish $2.5 million each. The Hanover Municipal Corporation will also get $7.5 million more and each constituency in the parish $2.5 million. St. Elizabeth and Clarendon will also receive additional support.
The National Water Commission will make, in this coming fiscal year, $5 billion. $5 billion of capital works in water. This will benefit 165,000 Jamaicans. Additionally, we will spend more than $2.5 billion in the sewage infrastructure. And the Rural Water Supply Limited will get the largest allocation in our history of $1.6 billion.
On the issue of water storage, the Black Tank program will be intensified.
The black tanks are part of the long-term resilience building of households for dealing with the water challenges. So it's not a temporary, it's really long-term. And so for those people who are in the business of producing black tanks, I would encourage them to increase their production capacity. Each constituency in the first round, because remember this round is 10,000, each constituency will get 100, and we hope to complete that this year. And then next year we do another 100.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.